Hey there everybody, so just doing a quick follow-up video here of my Hudson 3D printed taillight lens. I just wanted to show you kind of what I got here on Fusion 360, and pretty different than my original design. I put a little bit of a cone in here and made a little recession to kind of make it almost look like a jet turbine, you know. So here is my original print, and this one didn't really turn out so good. It has kind of a incomplete tip on it. This one, unfortunately, when removing the supports, it popped off, and that was kind of a bummer. And then this guy had way too many supports, and when trying to remove it, I actually popped the top off, so that was actually a bummer. But I have the finished part on the car, so let's go check it out.
Oh, so here we are, but actually it seems to turn out that I forgot to put the lenses on, so I'm actually going to try something real quick just to see if I can make this work. But so bam, here they are. So they're looking quite, you know, rocket turbine-like, but pretty stoked with how they're looking, especially with their way they're fitted into the chrome rings. But I'm gonna turn on the lights now for you and give you a little shot of these seats I just put in about a week ago. There they are. This one's a little bit brighter. I don't know why. Probably angle of the sun or some shit. But anywho, I'm super juiced off of it. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. And as a final message, Travis Daniels, you are a bitch. Thanks for watching.